So basically what you want to do is you want to take out the tube and look at the rim tape if there's, you know, if it's any holes that the rim tape isn't covered, so like any sharp places that could have caused the hole. And then just go through inside of the tires, feel if there's anything sharp. So when you want to find the hole or whatever it is, you pump it up. Preferably what I like to do is put it in water and then you see where the bubbles come from. So what I found is what I think is a slow leak. You're gonna take this sandpaper and make the surface rougher. You want to make sure that you sandpaper bigger than the patch, so that the patch sticks everywhere. And same with the glue. You want to apply glue on a bigger area than the patch, just a little bit. So don't just do what I do, understand why you do it, okay? You don't want to put your patch on this shiny, no surface, no grip area. Take a patch, take some rubber cement. Okay, don't want to apply too much. That should be enough. I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes.
One eternity later.
I'm pretty sure I found the hole. That's what he said. And then you just want to hold it tight for like a good 1 or 2 minutes. Get it back in the tire and make sure there's no rough things or people in there. You want to make sure that the tube isn't squeezed anywhere, so you want to wiggle the tire around like this. And the most critical part is where the valve is. That can easily get squeezed. When you pump it up, you can just give it a wiggle every now and then. Make sure it's good. And also when you pump tires, it's easy to fuck up the valve, like on the edge, especially when you put a lot of force in. And if you're not vegan already, what the fuck are you doing? Watch Cowspiracy. Okay, so first thing you want to watch is 4 Sober Knives, covers like the health benefits, and yeah. And then you want to watch Cowspiracy, and then you want to finish off with Earthlings. And if you're feeling really frisky, you want to watch The Best Speech You Will Ever Hear by Gary Yourofsky. The Best Speech You Will Ever Hear by Gary Yourofsky. And if you're not vegan by then, I don't know, like just jump off a cliff or something. I don't need you. Yeah, that's a little bit hard, but. When you pump the tire here, you want to make sure that the pump is straight, okay? No fucking this action, because that can break the valve and you're stuck without any possibility to get any fucking pressure on your tire. Unless you have a spare tire, which I always recommend you have. You don't be that fucking cunt. I always borrow his tires from everyone else. How you put the tire back is take this one up, put it in the smallest cord, and then just spin it and make sure it's in alignment and you're good to go. I remember